So if you can see the wordplay here, there's an album on Kanye West's graduation album called You Can't Tell Me Nothing. So I graduated, so you can't tell me nothing. So as you can see, the first thing I did was take some Mod Podge and make it glossy because I wanted it to be glossy. And then I measured the cap and I traced the shape, which was 9.5 by 9.5 inches. And then I cut off the excess. I was really particular about how I wanted this to fit on my cap because I didn't want it to be too big and I didn't want it to be too small. So after that, I glued 2 pieces of cardstock paper together. So if you pre-order or if you order a pre-made grad topper online, 9 times out of 10 it's gonna be stiff. So I had to do the same thing for mine. So now I'm sticking my album cover to my 2 pieces of cardstock paper that I just glued together, and now I'm going to use a credit card to minimize the bubbles. It was kind of getting on my nerves, so I just had to use a credit card. And now I'm going to put another layer of Mod Podge on there. I wanted it to be extremely glossy, so whenever you saw me sitting on the gym floor from the stands, you can see my cap. Now that the Mod Podge is dry and my album cover is glossy, I'm cutting off both the excess paper and the cardstock paper. So this is what it looks like. I think it looks really good. Like, I might be Mod Podging more stuff than just that. So now, of course, after that has dried completely, I'm gonna glue the album cover plus cardstock on top of my glitter paper. So funny story, the girl at the library printed out my album cover too little, so then I just decided to put a border on it, and I did not record myself cutting a hole out of my cardstock paper because it was looking real chewed up, it was looking real ugly. So now you see me trying to fix my mistake. So to fix my mistake, I went and I printed out another album cover, and then I cut a hole out of that, and then I glued it to my grad cap before I actually glued the whole thing on there because I didn't want to see any of the cap. Like, at first I was gonna live with it, but the way I kept looking at it, I was like, nah, let me go ahead and fix this. So now I'm going to put my letters on there. So in that previous clip, you saw that I was gonna have a little template, but I later figured out that all the letters are not the same size, so I had to just cut around it. But now I'm adjusting the letters in the position that I want to glue them in, because once this Mod Podge is stuck, this Mod Podge is stuck. So I put the letters in position and I stared at it for a while before I started gluing, and so this is my end result. So I kind of let this dry for about 2 days. I think I made this like the week before, or like a few days before I took my pictures, because I wanted my grad cap to be decorated in my pictures. So if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.